forklift connector.
Ủa sao vậy ta?
Uh-oh. We're trying to figure with a piece of metal how you get it in there. So I pressed the piece of metal down. My buddy got a long screwdriver and push it in deeper.
Nó không vô. Nó không có kèm được, thằng này nó lại kèm được mà nó xúc ra. Này nó có cái trick kỳ gì? Hai này nó vẫn còn xuống luôn. Ồ, nó còn vừa vô tuốt trống lẫn.
It goes deeper in. Nó chạy vô rồi đó.
Phải không?
Có vô á, it went in.
Positive, right? Well, positive. Right here.
Positive. Wait, this is positive.
Positive right here. It's a negative. It's a negative. Negative.
That's negative.
Đúng chưa? Same thing. Why?
Cái này nó không có nhìn giống như cái này á. This doesn't look the same.
Yeah.
This one
This one look like it go opposite way. Go opposite way. It should be like this.
Yeah, it has to look like this one. There's a piece of metal that goes.
Negative.
There's a piece of metal that go from here to here.
Negative right here. Negative. Negative đây. Rồi.
Huh? You got it?
Got it.
Here, before you put it, let me see. Take it out so I can see. All right, that looks good. Now take this out before you put it. Let me see.
This one opposite.
Okay,
We
so
have to, before
this,
we
so the small one go in.
Put it down. Pump it up.
All
like
right.
This.
All right.
Have to go all the way in. And this one go like this. They click on.
Wait, this one doesn't look like the other one. This one not all the way in. The metal isn't all the way in like the other one. The other one, metal go all the way in.
Ây da, oh man, bậy cái này luôn. Nó hư luôn ạ. Sao vô dữ vậy? Cái này sao đi dữ vậy?
Okay, it looked like it worked. All right.
Rồi work. Không vô được đâu.
Just get it to charge. It's not coming out.
It's coming out.
It's coming out.
Sao vậy? Ở trong này thì không ra được, cái này không ra được. Something wrong hả? Oh. Ghim vô cây trà không?